Welcome to today's deep dive, where we're looking at something pretty wild. When you picture the backstage of a live TV broadcast, you probably imagine this chaotic, I don't know, 100-piece orchestra, right?
Oh, yeah, definitely. Just a ton of moving parts.
Right. And historically, keeping everyone in sync meant dragging around this tangled web of heavy cables. But today, our mission is to examine the Kiloview KVW-KIS-PRO Intercom server Prey.
Yeah, which retails for about $299, by the way.
Exactly. We're looking at their product specification page to see how modern communication handles, super chaotic environments like live TV or even emergency rescues.
Okay, let's unpack this.
So to understand why this system is so efficient, you kind of have to look at how it physically connects, or I guess how it doesn't.
Right, because it's ditching the wires entirely. It's completely IP-based using WebRTC.
Yeah, exactly.
So does this mean everyday devices, just my smartphone, can suddenly become professional broadcast tools? Yes. They call it flexible devices access. You can basically get in through standard web browsers, your mobile device, Kiloview converters, or even their dedicated Kiloview deck.
Wow, just from a regular browser.
Yeah. And what's fascinating here is the mechanism making that possible. Because it operates over local area networks and the open internet, users can literally communicate on the air from anywhere.
And there are no extra access charges for that, right?
Nope. Zero extra charges. It just routes the audio directly where it needs to go.
But wait, if anyone can log in from a smartphone anywhere in the world, doesn't that kind of create a chaotic nightmare?
Well, it definitely could.
Because the specs actually boast about unlimited intercom channels.
Mm-hmm.
If I have like 500 people joining channels from their phones, isn't that just a recipe for a low latency migraine?
Yeah, without aggressive traffic control, it would be totally unmanageable. But they have these exact countermeasures built in.
Oh, really? Like what?
So first, they use this super efficient group management system where you apply tags to the members.
Tags. So like passing around digital sticky notes.
Exactly like sticky notes. It makes it really easy to locate the right person. The director can just instantly filter for whoever is holding the lighting team or the medic unit's sticky note.
Okay, that makes sense. But what about all the background noise?
Right, so to guarantee clear audio, there's built-in echo and noise cancellation directly at the software level.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so you, quote, never miss a single word.
Okay, but I have to ask about security. Because for high-stakes stuff like emergency rescue, you can't just have open internet channels where anyone could listen in.
Oh, absolutely not. And that's where the SRTP protocol comes in to secure everything.
That's the secure real-time transport protocol, right?
You got it. So every single word is kept completely private and encrypted. Plus, they offer back-end developer logs.
Which is great for the IT team to just troubleshoot glitches silently, right?
Exactly, all behind the scenes without interrupting the actual broadcast.
Well, whether you're managing a large-scale event or you're just curious about broadcast tech, this really shows how complex logistics are solved through smart software today.
It's a huge shift from just throwing brute force hardware at the problem.
Oh, totally. Plus, it includes practical perks, like free USA shipping and a 1-year warranty.
Which is always nice.
Yeah. Which actually leaves us with a pretty fascinating question for you to mull over. If professional unlimited channel intercoms are now securely accessible through standard mobile web browsers via WebRTC, will dedicated, single-purpose communication hardware soon become completely extinct?
It really makes you wonder.
It does. Will that chaotic 100-piece orchestra of the future just be conducted through the phones already sitting in everyone's pockets?